Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. Ismi Nabil Farish bin Solehan. I am supervised by Assistant Professor Dr. Zainul Mukrim bin Haji Baharudin. Today, I would like to present about ecological benefit of beetle in the park at National Monument Park Kuala Lumpur. I would like to show a little bit about my table content. According to Powell Jerry A 2009, 25% of beetles, 25% of animals are beetles. 600,000 beetle species has been identified since 2007. At 2018, 386,500 species of beetle has been described worldwide. So I create three problem statements from the article that I have reviewed. First, lack of human knowledge about benefits of the beetle. Second, the extinction of beetle species is due to the growing environment regardless of the ecosystem. And the third one, ecological balance is disturbed by the extinction of the beetle and their habitat. Okay, next we go to literature review. I divided into three parts, which is beetle, ecology, and park. Okay. Usually beetle live in desert, rainforest, mountain, underground, and some live in water. Okay, then they have four type of feeding behavior, which is flower visiting, the normal beetles sucking up nectar from flower. Yes, that is flower visiting. Then wood feeding beetle, dung feeding beetle, and insect feeding beetle. Okay, wood feeding beetle, common furniture beetle. Furniture. We call it furniture beetle. Dung feeding beetle is dung beetle, and insect feeding beetle, tiger beetle, which is insect feeding beetle. Beetle eat insect. Okay, next we go to anatomy of a beetle. Beetle is divided into three parts. Main part, head, thorax, and abdomen. They have antenna, mouthpart, elytra, unfold wing, suture, claws, tarsus, tibia, femur, scutellum. Same goes to the butterfly and other insect normally. Okay, life cycle of beetle, same goes to other insects. They come from egg, then first instar group, then second instar group, third instar group, then we go to pupa and adult. Same goes to butterfly. Okay, next, the correlation between beetle, park, and environment. From environmental aspect, beetle is called primary consumer. From social aspect, without interaction between beetles and other plants, for example, ladybird beetle. Without the beetle, the plant cannot grows. Then from economic aspect, same goes to the social. Then we go to ecology. Ecology is a study of organism, environment, and how organisms interact with each other and their environment. Is divided into 6 elements, which is organism ecology, population ecology, community ecology, ecosystem ecology, landscape ecology, and global ecology. Then ecology brings huge impact to Earth, which all organisms interact with each other. The effect on loss of ecology create a long-term effect. For example, like I mentioned before about the beetles. Okay, then we go to park. Park is a piece of land that has been developed for public use, for aesthetic, educational, recreational, and culture use. Seven type of park. First, national park, the bigger one. Then state park, urban park, local park, neighborhood park, playground, and play lot. National Monument Park is under urban park. From economic aspect, park improve the property values. Then from health and environmental aspect, park is proven to improve water quality, groundwater, improve air quality, create habitat, improve flora and fauna, and so on. From social aspect, parks are uh, parks are tangible reflection of the quality of life in the community, in a community. Okay, next we go to aim and objective. My my aim for this research to study the ecological benefits of beetle and species found at National Monument Park Kuala Lumpur. My objective, I have three: to discuss the factor of disappearance of beetles in park, to explain to the people about the importance of beetle in the ecosystem, to study how beetle can cooperate to ecosystem and restoration agriculture. I have two methodologies. First, site inventory analysis using transect line searches. Then, I use questionnaire. Now we go to result and finding. Firstly, Coccinella magnifica, which is 7-spot ladybird. Coccinella transverse ladybird. Then, Oryctes rhinoceros, which is coconut palm rhinoceros beetle. Then, Chondropaiga dorsalis, cowboy beetle. This species is rarely species. I only found once. Okay, then we go to the result. Okay, from the result, okay, from the pie chart, okay, the average percentage of beetle species and its presence for the whole 6 days according to beetle species. This one is according to the beetle species. Along 6 days, how many beetle I found? Okay, 53% from Coccinella magnifica ladybird beetle, 7-spot ladybird beetle. I found total in 6 days 17. Transverse ladybird, I found 8. Then Oryctes rhinoceros, 6. Chondropaiga dorsalis, I found 1. Okay, next. Okay, average percentage of beetle species and its presence for the whole 6 days according to habitat. Okay, this is from questionnaire, from demographic data. I get 50 respondent, 25 from male, 25 from women. If you can see, this is the questionnaire that I provide. First question on the first themes: how often do you come to this park? Next, is there enough accessibility to this park? Does the park provide you with comfortable facilities? How about the safety? Do you feel safe to walk in the park? After analyze, we can see that most of them in average to 5. Okay, if you can see from the bar graph, the blue one is question 1, orange question 2, grey question 3, and 4 question 4, yellow color. Okay, for the next team 2, knowledge on a beetle. Okay, have you ever seen beetle in this park? Did you know their ecosystem? Is there any function of beetle do you know of? Did you know that the beetle population is decreasing? Next, we go to questionnaire on the team 3, which people's perception towards beetle. Okay, I read the question. First, are you interested towards the beetle? Then, do you want to save the environment and the beetle ecosystem? Third, do you want to improve beetles' social interaction? 4, do you want to help beetles population from decreasing? Okay, we achieved to the end of the presentation. Conclusion and recommendation. As ecological factors have been incorporated to collect and analyze data, greater variety in focusing the habitat of this creature. From my inventory analysis and questionnaire, it can be said that it is difficult to find beetle in the park because usually beetle live on the open space. Only some of them live in the thick forest. Okay, recommendation for the young generation or for next. The beetles need more plants in open area. as they can make it as their habitat. Other than that, the authority of the park can provide specific area for this beetle. It is because most of the visitors want to see the beetle in the park. By having an area for beetle, the present and future generation can learn more about the insect, habitat, species, and even their role in the environment. Okay, furthermore, the roles of the local authority or designer are crucial in selecting plant at the place to preserve the species of beetle. Then, other suggestion would be the method that can be used for future research would be surveyed. It is because respondent knowledge or perspective might help the future study despite what educational level that the respondent had. Okay. This is my poster. Okay, thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.